Hello everyone. Today I am going to show the application of prosthetics makeup. I am using these pieces. First, I am using a ball cap. This is vinyl ball cap and the glue is Prosthetics. Next one is neck piece. I shave my facial hair so it doesn't stick to my hair. Next piece is chin piece. I am using Westmore glue to apply this. Next one is upper lip. To take the edge off and smooth it out, I am using acetone. Next one is a nose piece. Around the eyes, I am being careful to use the glue. Next one is right cheek. Again, it's near the eyes, so I am being very careful not to put the glue in my eye. The other side of the cheek. I am making sure that left and right are in the same height. Another one is the forehead piece. My eyebrows are covered with the glue and powder on. Taking out all the edges and powder over. And the last piece is upper eyelid. Since I have Asian eyelids, I need to put this one to create the Caucasian eyelids. Now I'm using cream Bondo piece to cover the edges and making more textures to have the nice blending. After it dries, I put powder. Now it's lunch break. I'm being very careful to eat and make sure it's a small amount so it doesn't stick to my pieces. If you see close, you see the edges still. Then after the lunch, I am putting more Bondo. Fixing the imperfections. Next one is I'm putting the wrinkles on my hand. And I'm using the airbrush. For the skin color, I normally use pink, dark pink, red, brown, purple, light purple, and light skin color, and green vein color. Also, I use rubber mask grease paint to blend all the colors and some details, especially under eyes and the birthmarks, moles, and the age spots. Now I put the eyebrows and hair in the back. Now I am putting the dentures. That's it.
Holy moly, it must be my birthday.
This is the final product. If you are interested in buying the materials, please check the description below and I have a link for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.